What's up, YouTube? And today we're gonna be making a video on. Let's make a video on Subway Surfers. I haven't played Subway Surfers in a long time. I'm very good. My highest rank one time, I got 4th place in the whole United States. That's how good I am. So, don't try me. So we just waited for this to update. When I update, get ready. Cause we about to play. Hey, make sure to like and subscribe, post notifications and bar where I be making my YouTube videos. I make YouTube videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, Sunday nights. Make sure to watch my videos, likes, post notifications, and subscribe. Go down to the comments and say I subscribe and post notifications, and I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Some shout outs to some YouTubers. See, that's so cool. The person who got me to start this, my cousin, D-Rail Gray. The Patient is the Right Rose. He already has 2 songs and they're viral. Make sure to follow him. So I'm just waiting on Subway Surfers to get ready, because I will show you how good I am at this game. No joke, I'm very good. Here we go, we're about to play in a little bit. Here we go, guys. Christmas theme, you can hear that. You know you can. I haven't played in so long. That's what. So this is why still have her, because he's cheap. Never mind, no, he's not. She's cheap. I'm using what she. $2. He's cheap. She's cheap. Not him or the other dude. I got 11K. I'm not spending none of my coins, guys. Let's go. See that? That's not the highest I ever be. Trust me, I can go way higher. Watch this, boys. Hey. Yeet. Ooh, I want a gingerbread, like Frosty. Yeah. How long I gone? I bet you guys can't even go this long. Some of you like little boy babies. Boy, they show enough. Like if you ever like John, but I can watch it for free. I messed up, but comment down below if you have a little baby brother or sister, because I bet they do not know how to play this. Let's just get back into it. That was a mess up because I was talking to you, trying to tell you about do you have a baby and stuff, you know. Ooh, got that. That's easy. Go. Go, go, go. Let's go. Woo. Told you. Oh no. And I have 0 keys. It's not hard, but I got to try. The only reason I'm at that height like that is because I need keys. I said. Yeah, so I'm not a real pro. I'm a pro at this. I can literally beat Ninja if he ever started to play this. Literally beat Ninja, I said. See? It gets on my nerves. Now let's just open this box. Booyah. If y'all make money, we already got 12K with 500. Boom, boy. Why does it look like that now? Oh, it's an update. Okay. Oh no! Wow! What? Oh, I am catching up. Hi haters, flex on your haters. Hi haters, flex on these haters. Ball for the beat you, boy. You don't know how bad I'm playing. What? That don't make no sense. That's a glitch in this. And later on down the line, when I make more YouTube videos for you guys, PUBG might be in the news. I'm very good. At PUBG. Because when I first started, I got 7 kills. I had to carry my cousin. I don't know how. He been playing longer than me, and I got 6 kills. Well, 7, 6 rounds. This sponsors PUBG, so make sure you know PUBG Epic Games. And this sponsors Fortnite. Since it sponsors PUBG. Because they made the same thing, right? Right? Don't get me wrong, I'm a comedian. Psych. Oh, or am I? Oh! That's just a comedian joke for haters. Hey, boy. Ash, get it. Now, flex. I live in England. Hey guys, I live in England. And here in my country, we know how to get down. We're just not the ordinary people. We're lit people. Like really lit people. I'm not playing with you guys. Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. And I mean subscribe. This is Morix. And I mean subscribe. He needs to get to a meal. We are friends. Oh, sorry about that, guys. That was just Morix interrupting. Because I'm his friend, little did you know. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, post notifications. You know what I'm saying, man? I'm just gonna keep playing this until I show you how I prove I'm good at this crap. Of nothing to play. You see how I already beat all these people? Cause I'm fine like that. Yeah, I was just talking to Morix. Yes. Make sure to get me those bangers. Move. That was just my lame brother. That was just my lame brother. Don't listen. Don't listen to him. Cause he's fat and he weighs almost 200. So. Alright guys, I gotta survive. I don't know how did I do that, but I'm just a worthless man. But I'm good at shortwave shuffles. Never get me wrong. I'm the best player up here. Woo! Bam! Oh man, it's down in the Midland. Bam! Yeet! Oh! Look at little PUBG Mobile. Bah! PUBG. Yeah! here. Close out. Ooh. I'm Little Richie and I'm still up top. Ooh. And little blood. Wow. Boom. Ah, dang it. Oh, free. Oh, guys. You saw how many people I beat though? Told you. That box of his. Told you. 3. Yes, flex on your haters. Let's see who I'm about to buy. Let's see who I'm buying today. Hey man, you cost too much. YouTube, man. And not you yet. Let's purchase bots. Tag bots. Lego. Let's go tag bot. After I die this time, guys, I'm gonna end it. So just be on a. Oh, guys, you lucky. You get shit in my. Never mind. Bye. And I'm not watching free. Okay, guys. So I'm ending. Make sure you like, post notifications, and subscribe. And I'll give you a shout out in the next one. Peace. Hold on.